I am excited. I am so happy. Taonga is your chance to learn. I am excited. I am so happy. Taonga is your chance to learn. Taonga market. Taonga market. Taonga market. It's your chance to learn. Dum, dum. Teacher, tell everyone to gather in front of the screen. Teacher, tell everyone that today we are going to have a very important topic. The topic for today will be on inflation and reserves. Teacher, tell everyone that to take us in this lesson in a language called Lamba is none other than Dr. Honorable Emmanuel Kasambo. Teacher, kindly remind everyone that is gathered to pay particular attention as Honorable Emmanuel Kasambo explains what inflation and reserves actually mean in a local language called Lamba. Teacher Kasambo, over to you.
Ndugu Fuaya, David Okopariwa President. 5 minutes. Mwangu mfuani, never mulishi nshikokolako. 5 minutes. Ndugu Fuaya, David ko pariwa President waka inde ichilema. Okubomba kwabo, eli tuwa kwa mbalambi ya mashwani. Mwachu mfue chebo, icha ima mchalo, ichebo cha inflationi, nema reserves. Mwachu mfuani? Ndugu Fuaya, ndolole. Mumfwe iki tumutotera kainde. Mwamva mwabakwasu? Zambia! Zambia! Bebe ni bane pati mumfwe ni Kasambo alondolole. Mupeni amatui. Mwangu mfwani? Maya mfweni. Ifi tumutotera president haka inde ichilema. Ndukufwa ndabile ndukutachikoko labile pachebo cha inflation. Mpeni kolukoso amatui. Mwamfa mwabako aswani? Umfweni. Inflation ni lubilo imitengo shafintu shinini napo. Muluku mfwa panini mwangu mfwani? Inflation ni lubilo ulubilo imitengo ya fintu shinini napo. Lelo mwaya mwasanga na sugar ilipa 20 kwacha. Mwabwelela kwa after 1 week mwasanga ya fika pa 25 kwacha. Mwabwelela kwa after mwenchi mwasanga sugar ya fika pa 30 kwacha. Ukupulana kula shupa. So kani mwamfuati inflation ilipeulo. Ili haka inda pokele chalo inflation yalipa 22%. Ichilukula biloko ebati imitengo kunina shalukubutuka. Bebeni wane but inflation lubilo lwa mitengo. Ulubilo mitengo kubutuko kunina. Mwangu mfamo wakwa swani. Ndefuwa mpinteni panini ifi ndukula bila fiko sile but mumfuishe. Pano mfweni. Aka indeli apokele chalo abisangire mitengo shire ili chibutuko kunina. Mwangu mfwani? Now, ili apokele chalo waka inde inflation lelo yabwela pa 6%. Mwangu mfwani? Panomaya umfweni ifi chiluku alula. Mr. President, face this side. Face this side. Okay. Aba emitengo eshefi chiluku butuko ya kuntaji. Mwangu mfwani? Inflation lubilo. Aka inde fyakitile ukubwesha inflation punch. Tachiruku alula pati yo imitengo kubwela punch. Ifi chiruku alula kwa alula kwe bati. Ululu biwa mitengo shiruku butukoku ya kuntanshi. Aka inde amu kushikata ukubwesha kuspiti punch. Mfani. Ati mitengo nangaba shiruku nina panini. Echa lenga turuku mutota pa kubwesha inflation. Mfamwe bakwasu. Munukungu mfawino. Inflation ngayanina imitengo kulu kunina mailo nangu mwapulana ati mulevo kushitensu mbishiri 5 mwamfana lelo nga mwaisa mkubonera kukusange imitengo shachinja mwabonera kwafute milungu ibili kusange imitengo shachinja pano akainde pakuti aline ekalango ekitulu mukutotera bebeni bale bacha akainde wa mano mwamfa mayo ani wapika pali inflation mwangu mfa pali inflation yani.
Wow. You see, there's certain things that you would think are very hard to explain in the local language. But there is just the way this man here explains things in Lamba. And by the way, this video came due to popular demand. A number of people said, Ken Dumbo, we would love to hear Honorable Kasambo explain inflation in Lamba. And I said, Honorable, people are asking that you should do this in Lamba. And he explained. Now, teacher, kindly ask everyone that is watching that now Honorable Kasambo will then explain what reserves really are and what they mean to the economy of the Republic of Zambia. Dr. Honorable Kasambo, over to you.
Mayo amarizevu ni akaunti ya chalo umutusungira amadola. Mwamfan akaunti ya chalo umutusungire ndo amadollars. Ayo amadollars yayo ewe chalo kipyungisha ukulipilira kufyalo fya basungu. Kali mulukufayo kushito muti, kali mulukufayo kushita fertilizer, chionzefu mulukufayo kushita kubasungu. Tinafuma kuisa barabonfya ama reserves yaja umulindira amasha cyalo umubasungira amadola baramayo umfwe ndefo ya mumfwe ifi akayinde tumutotera aya ma reserves mulukumfwa mayo nga yachepa umfwe muno muzambia kandi turapyungisha umuti huwa one fyonse tupyungisha umuti fuelo ukushita fertilizer kandi turashitefya 1 million mwango mfani chipe month kandi turashitefya 1 million ama reserves tulingire katubwetee 1 million nekukirapo kwa mfani kandi pamwe nshimura bamfya 1 million mind for mumfuishe ifi ndukula bila fiko separa mulefyo mfani mwangu mfani ndefo mumfuishe ifi turi kumutotera kayinde mayo kandi mumwe nshimura pyungisha 1 million ukushite miti ukushita fuelo ukushita na fertilizer mumwe nshumo kandi ndama mupyungisha muma reserve uyenda nama ilingire kayirimo mwangu mfani ngajako batiriye ndarama yabwera panshi ni shimukafirwa ukushita umuti mukafirwa ukushita fertilizer mukafirwa ukushita fuel pakuti ama reserve ya kitashani tayakumene po indalama tamulipo now ichi ama reserve ya fa ikenda na mashiripe ulu mayo yaliko tini savings account kwa mfano kani mumwenshi mulatungisha mulafola mayo kani mumwenshi pambi mulafola 1000 kwacha esa ali mufola mungu mfishan kani mumwenshi mulafola 1000 eli mu account mwenu kupangi mulisungire mu 1000 kwacha ubushi kwingi ikashira mulina shinga kwa account 1000 ila 1000 ndenga mali yomo nshumo ni shichapo kutatika kupemberero kufwa inda lama ni shashira mwa mfano amali zevu acharwe fyali amali zevu eya dofu ako ukushitefi ndugu basungu ukushita fertilizer ukuru kushtemiti amali zevu yantuamo eyo ubuteko bupyungisha ukubwesho mutengo wa dola panshi mwa mfano bya shibanjani amali zevu yantuamo eyo ubuteko bupyungisha ukubwesho mutengo wa dola panshi amali zevu kanta kuri pa amali zevu kanta kuri pumayo ichalo kufurungana dola kudula ibintu byose muchalo kudula ifi tupengera kubane amali zevu so that nangabo yo mwishimayo tatushitishe kopa amali zevu akainda alisungire imiti muchalo shitengira fertilizer akashita fuel akashita nangabo tatushitishe kopa myeshita tu akainda amali zevu alisungire umuti kushita fuel kushita fertilizer kushita mutotera niko kainde
Okay. Ushumfwa patu nini nangu baona rebo balabire fingi teto mfwe pandu baona rebo nabalondolola bwino sana. And if honestly you can't get even this explanation about reserves and inflation, then you are beyond repair. Here's the honest truth. I think, honestly, some leaders made it look like the issue of reserves is is a simple matter. They made it look like reserves really don't matter. Yeah, just use them, spend them. It's like saying, let's just chew whatever we have. If you're Marofika, it's over. No, that is not, unfortunately, how you run an economy. I've seen a lot of people asking, hey, no, but how can you as a parent be keeping money when your children are suffering from hunger? Everyone that has asked that question on my page, I have asked them, well, that is a very good example. But which child has died of hunger that the father must spend and use his reserves? If we bring it in the context of Zambia as a country, how many people have died of hunger that we should now spend our reserves? How many people are suffering that we should now spend all our reserves on those particular people? And is Zambia the only country that has people that are suffering? And after answering on whether or not we have people that have died of hunger and if we have people that are truly suffering, I want to ask another question. Zambia is just a developing country. Okay? We are still developing. We are not like our friends in the United States. We're not like our friends in China who have made it in life. But even when these countries have made it in life, they have never spent everything. So why should a country that is still developing spend everything that it has in its reserves? Or because there are people that are suffering and there are people that are assumed to have died of hunger, whom we have not heard or read about, by the way. So it's an assumption that we are making, that there are people that have died of hunger. It's an assumption that we are making. Yes, there are people that are suffering. Maybe I'm also suffering. Maybe you are also suffering. But we are not the only ones suffering in this world. Just because you and I are suffering doesn't mean the government has to spend everything that it has said. You may be suffering, but you are able to eat. You may be suffering, but you are able to get on a bus. You may be suffering, but you are able to do things here and there. But in the near future, there could be a time when we are heavily affected as a country that your suffering will be beyond that. You will not be able to do anything. And that is where that money helps us as a country. So please, let's not be misled. Reserves are very important to this country. It doesn't matter who is leading. Today it is the Hakainde Hichilema. After Hakainde Hichilema, it could be another person to lead this country. They should never lie to you that reserves don't matter. Reserves do matter. And inflation also does matter, especially in an economy like Zambia. Honorable Kasambo, twatotera mwane.